Hey guys, Arden here, and today's video is going to be about fractions. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add fractions, subtract fractions, multiply fractions, and divide fractions. I will also show you how to turn fractions into decimals. Let's start. First, we'll do adding fractions. The way I like to add fractions is to bring them to a common denominator and then just simply add the numerators. Okay, the way I could bring the denominators to the same number is I multiply this denominator by this, and then this denominator by this, then this denominator by this, and this denominator by that. So in the end, they'll both be the same denominator, and these two will go up as well. So let's do it. So that means 4 times 1 is 4, over 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 times 3 is 9, over 3 times 4 is 12 again. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So our final answer is 13 over 12, or 1 and 1/12. 1 and 1/12. Next, let's do subtracting. Subtracting is the same thing as adding, except instead of adding these two numbers, you subtract them. Let's do it. 5 times 2 is 10. 10. 5 times 3 is 15. Minus 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 5 is 15. 10 minus 3 is 7. So our final answer is 7 over 15. Now let's do multiplying. Multiplying is pretty straightforward. What you need to do is multiply the two numerators and the two denominators, and you'll have your answer. So our answer will be 18 over 56. Now let's do dividing. Dividing two fractions is equal to multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. A reciprocal means the opposite. So this is equal to 2/3 times 5 over 4. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 4 is 12. So our final answer is 10 over 12. We can reduce that, but for now we're going to move on. The final thing I'm going to show you in this video is how to turn fractions into decimals. Let's take our example. For an example, let's do 2/3. No, we'll do 2/3 and 3/4. The way you turn a fraction into a decimal is you divide the numerator by the denominator. If you do that in short division, it'll look like this. So you're dividing the numerator, which is 2, by the denominator, which is 3. Since we know that 3 can't go into 2 evenly, you have to go into decimals. So you put 0 point, and then another point here, and add a 0 here. How many times 3 go into 20? 3 goes into 20 6 times, which is 18. And then look at the difference between 18 and 20. That's 2. So you add the next 0, and you add the extra 2 like that. So that's 20 again. Again, 6. We can see that this is going to keep repeating, and we call this a repeating decimal. So you can just round to the nearest tenth or hundredth. So we can just say this is equal to 0.66. It could go on and on. Next, let's do 3/4. So the dividing 3 and 4. Let's start. 0 point, and then 3.0. 4 goes into 30 7 times for 28. And then the difference between 28 and 30 is 2. So we have 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times exactly. So our answer will be 0.75. Thanks for watching. Bye.